Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am the Makeup Traveler. If you're oldie but goodie, thank you guys for clicking on yet another video. So by today's video, you guys know that we are traveling soon. Within the next couple days, my husband and I will be leaving out of the country again, and I am so excited. So without further ado, we're just gonna jump right into the video. All right, guys, so the time has come for me to let you all know where we are going. Lena wants to get into the video. So we are, dun, 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 we are making our way to and through South America. You heard it right, folks. We are going to South America. We are going to Peru. I'm so excited to be going to Peru. I've never been to Peru. I've never been to South America, period. So I am really excited. So in today's video, we're going to discuss mainly what all can go in your carry-on suitcase. Now, as some of you may know, when it comes to traveling, suitcases, luggage, book bags, purses, all of that can end up being really expensive if you don't play it the right way. I'm going to show you today how to play it the right way, so that way you can save money when it comes to traveling. So we're just going to jump right into the suitcase. All right, starting off with our suitcase. Now, what we normally do is we normally take carry-on luggage, so that way we don't have to check any bags. So the kind of luggage that you would need is a regular standard size small suitcase. Most airlines, their dimensions are 22 inches high, 9 inches deep, and 14 inches wide. Now, some airlines can go up to 22 inches high, 35 inches deep, and 56 inches wide. But majority, sorry, move Lena. She really wants to be in the video. But majority of the airlines do go by the first set of dimensions. Now, let's get into our suitcase. Now, with this particular suitcase, I like that it has two compartments. Now, this compartment, I would put my clothes, my toiletry bag, and all of that in here. And in this back part, I have my shoes, my towel. I personally like to bring my own towel with me whenever I travel anywhere. So I bring that with me. I have my swimming suits, my undergarments, my socks, my sports bras. All of that, all is going to go up here in this top area. Now, when we get down to the bottom area, as far as clothing is concerned, I generally like to pack light, depending on how long we're going to be gone, the activities that we're going to be doing, and things of that nature. So for this particular trip, we are going to be doing a lot of hiking, a lot of walking, and we're going to be outside a lot. So I packed 4 regular comfortable shirts as well as 4 athletic shirts. So that way you can either dress it up, dress it down, you would be good. And I also have 2 pair of pants, 3 pair of shorts because it is going to be hot. So I want to be comfortable at the same time. I brought a nice evening dress. Say, for instance, if we want to go out for a romantic dinner, I will have something to change into. And I just brought a regular just shirt that you can throw on over your regular shirts. Just like a little blue jean shirt. And all of those are going to fit right in this bottom compartment. Now, I also have my toiletry bags, and I also bought some Dramamine That is for motion sickness. So if you're going somewhere and you don't really know about the altitude and all of this type of stuff, and you get queasy when you get on planes or when you get on boats or anything like that, that guy right there is going to be your best friend. I have my toiletry bag, my Vanity Planet, can't leave home without it. And I also have an outfit. This is my maybe outfit. I maybe will bring it or I might not bring it, but it's just sitting off to the side just for right now. That's just a regular pair of pants, a nice blazer, and things of that nature. I have my belt and some jewelry. Yeah, that's about it for the clothes. I'm going to show you guys how I fit all of this into there. Now, as you can see, I still have this little compartment here left open. Now, if there's anything that I possibly wanted to bring with me at the last minute, I can place it right here into this little compartment. But as far as everything else, like my toiletry bag, my vanity planet, and all that, that is all going to go up here in this top portion with my towel, my swimsuits, and shoes. Alright guys, now that I have everything tucked in nicely to the suitcase, always remember, still have this little compartment left. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get some drawstring bags for my dirty clothes as well as for my shoes. Because even though the shoes and the clothes and stuff is in there all neat and clean and pretty right now, that might not be the case when we actually get into the groove of things. So it is necessary to bring a drawstring bag for your dirty clothes and your shoes. So yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, well that concludes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Definitely if you have any questions about anything that you would need to pack in your travel bag, definitely leave those questions down in the comment section below. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to our family, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that way you can be updated anytime I upload anything here on my channel. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. I love you guys to no end. And Lord willing, I will see you all in my next video. Who knows? Next video, we might be in the air. Peace. I love you guys.